I'm adding a layer of, I'm going to sprinkle a good amount of my dried rose petals. I'm going to add a nice layer of rose. This is white chocolate mousse. First I'm going to soak my gelatin and melt my gelatin. Water, and I'm adding my gelatin inside. So it has to soak at least for a minute. Once it is completely soaked. So now I'm going to melt the gelatin. So my gelatin is completely melted. So add the chocolate inside and dissolve. Melt your chocolate. If you want, you can add at least 10 to 15 seconds in your microwave also to dissolve your chocolate, or you can melt your chocolate and add it inside. Mine is not completely melted, but my gelatin is almost room temperature, so I'm going to put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So I've placed 30 seconds inside the microwave and you can see my chocolate is completely melted. Now I'm going to fold my whipping cream inside. Fold your whipping cream evenly. Now I'm adding a layer of mousse inside. Now I'm going to sprinkle a good amount of my dried rose petals. So now we are going to make rose jelly. First you are going to soak your agar-agar in water. Add sugar to it. Now we are going to microwave until it starts to boil. So my agar-agar is completely melted. So to the agar-agar mixture, I am going to add my rose syrup. On top of the mousse, I am going to add a nice layer of rose jelly. So now I am going to set in fridge for at least 4 hours.